Huh? 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 You think I'm gonna stop? He doesn't want to be tickled, so I'm tickling the fat thighs. No! You that happy? Whenever he doesn't want to be tickled, he starts coughing. Woo! Woo! What you doing? Huh? Don't want the tickles? Don't want the tickles? Huh? Huh? Oh, give me that sock. Give me that sock. Give me that. Give me that. What? Give me the toes. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. What you jumping for? Huh? Stinky toes. Get that sock out of there. Get that sock out of there. Get that sock out of there. You want Granny to stop tickling you?